Hello, welcome to my vlog again. Today we are going to learn some Visayan terms, Visayan words, phrases, the Cagayanon way. So let's learn. Okay, first phrase to start is the greeting, good morning. Maayong buntag. Good morning. Maayong buntag. Good morning. Maayong buntag. Next, good afternoon. Maayong hapon. Good afternoon. Maayong hapon. Maayong hapon. Good afternoon. Good evening. Maayong gabi. Good evening. Maayong gabi. Maayong gabi. Good evening. Nice. Chada or pachada. It's very nice. Pachada or chada. Chada kaayo. Very nice. Chada kaayo. How are you? Kumusta or kumusta ka? How are you? Kumusta or kumusta ka? Kumusta? Kumusta ka? How are you? Buddy or mate or friend, we say bye. Bye. Kumusta ka? Bye. Bye. How much is this? Tagpila ni. How much is this? Tagpila ni. Tagpila ni. Tagpila ni. Expensive. Mahal. Expensive. Mahal. Expensive. Mahal. Mahal. Cheap or affordable. Barato. Affordable. Barato. Cheap. Barato. Barato. Do you have rice? Naakay kanon? Do you have rice? Naakay bugas? Nakay kanon? Naakay bugas? Do you have rice?